Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Plum Paper vertical columns that I use as a social media planner, and I'm going to be using this beautiful kit from Cafecito Designs. I have used her stickers several times. Her shop is just the cutest thing ever, and I am actually happy to announce that I am now a member of her rep team. So if you use code Stephany10, you will receive my cute little freebie that I'll go ahead and pop right here on the screen. And then I also wanted to announce that Cafecito Designs is participating in the Planner Boss Collective Sale, which runs from April 21st through April 23rd, and you will receive 30% off of your entire order with code SPRINGSALE23. So lots of things happening. I am so happy to be diving into this kit because it is just so beautiful. So let's go ahead and get started. And I feel like I want to start off with the deco boxes. Everything about this is just super adorable. And I went ahead and picked up several different sticker sheets from different kits because I believe this one is specifically for your go-getter girl, especially because it has this 3x3 little box. But yeah, this is a lot of sticker sheets. So yeah, I'm gonna have enough to go ahead and do a spread in my Go Get a Girl planner as well. So I want to start off with this one. And as you can see, I went ahead and trimmed this down because this is like double wide washi strip. And I wanted to use them up here. So I went ahead and measured and then cut them down to size. So hopefully I did it right. It looks a bit crazy right now, but hopefully it's not too bad. So let's go ahead and take that out. Let's turn this around. And all I'm going to do is place it right over this. Then I want to place the pink one down here at the bottom. Okay, so there we go. Now we have our washi strip nicely laid out. So then let's go ahead and start with the deco boxes because I am really loving these. So I love this one, Coffee and Planner Things. And I feel like this one, I just want to put it like here, right in the middle. And I'm going to basically use all of these deco boxes. So I feel like I want to go maybe diagonal like that. So this was pink. Let's use a teal one. So this one with the washi. And so maybe this one. Yeah, maybe this one could go here. And then let's use another like teal color and place it right over here. And this one is like an iced coffee. So then, yeah, maybe that one could go there. So now I feel like I want to go up like this. That way this is down and then this one is kind of going up like that. So let's start off with this pink one. Let me see. So there's that one. Let's do maybe like, no, let's do the coffee one, right? So yeah, we'll do the coffee one here. And then let's do this one. Oh, I still have this one with the washi. Okay, perfect. So then this one is going to go right over here. And yeah, let's use this one. And I feel like this one's not going to be centered because we have reached the top. So yeah, maybe right there. Okay, because I still want to put something right here. And I feel like maybe I could use this one. That way we add some purple on this side. Okay, so there's that. And then I'm going to grab this piece that was left over because it is wider. And then maybe just use it like right on top of it. Okay, so right about here. Okay, perfect. So yeah, so far so good, right? So these are going to be our decorative boxes, and now we need to bring in some function, right? So we have these boxes with a little bit of deco. We do have this whole deco sheet, and then we have these ones. We have habit trackers here. We have these ones with the heart. We have these boxes that have nothing on them and are bigger. So as far as how I'm going to notate videos for each day, and not even each day, because I think I'm playing around with the idea of like having a schedule once and for all, because yeah, this whole like winging it and having my fingers crossed that everything will work out is not working out for me. I need a schedule, and so I am working on that. So hopefully I'll have something more set in stone. So I feel like this is definitely going to bug me now that it's not like spaced out well. So I think I'm just gonna bring everything down just a little bit. Okay, and that came out so beautiful too. So what about if I place it there? Okay, before I fully commit and actually lay it down, let me just kind of move things around. And hopefully now they're spaced out better. Okay, perfect. So if this one were to go maybe here. Yeah, I think this is gonna be spaced out better. Okay, so yeah, I'm definitely liking that so much better. So then as far as this goes, so we don't really have a lot of purple over here. So I'm thinking of maybe placing this one, yeah, maybe like right here in between these two, whether I have a video on Tuesday or Wednesday. And then let's use this darker pink one. This one is a light one, so I think the pink one will look really pretty. And again, between the boxes, that way it can either be used for Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so that's looking so pretty. As far as this side, I think I want to do the same thing. So one box for 2 days, that way we can have one here and then maybe another one over here. So okay, so I think I want to use the lighter pink color. I feel like they're all different shades of pink, so I feel like this one is the lightest one, and maybe this one could go, okay, maybe like right over here. Perfect. And then as far as this side, let's go ahead and use the darker purple. Yeah, so maybe like right over here. Okay, so yeah, that looks really good. So then let's see, I want to grab my deco sticker sheet because I want to do something over here. So we have the coffee. Well, of course, we basically have everything, right? What would really stand out? So we have like that teal color here, and the planner is teal. So maybe I don't want to do that. We can maybe use this one. But I actually think that I want to use some washi. So let's go back here and we'll go ahead and do this one. Oh, actually, I think I had some left over. And because this one is teal, let's just go ahead and use the pink one. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a better idea. So let's see. So yeah, I'll go ahead and leave everything linked down in the description box below. That way you guys can check out the sale, save 30%. I think that's a great, great deal, especially if this is like your first time trying out her shop. It is a great little sale and percent off. So yeah, make sure that you guys check that out. I don't know if I'm liking this idea anymore, because will you still be able to tell what it is even if it gets trimmed down right there? Okay, so maybe I won't even use this. Actually, let's just go ahead and add our script stickers. That way we can see how it's all coming along. So here we have this week, which we'll go back over here. Oh yeah, that looks nice just all by itself. And then we have to add our to-do header back on over here. Okay, so there it is. So I went ahead and added the today as well. And I was actually thinking about adding maybe some deco stickers in these boxes. But now that I think about it, I think I'm just going to leave it alone, especially because I feel like there's already so much deco going on with the washi strip and these boxes as well. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to do that. And that is going to seem super weird because I usually like layering and putting just a lot of deco. But yeah, with these stickers, I feel like I don't need to do that. So these boxes just look great all by themselves, nice and functional. Okay, so there it is. And let's see. So we do have these little like dot stickers, but I feel like I add these as the week goes on over here in this sidebar, which is where I put the videos that I need to film and that are going to go live, and then I place them exactly when they went live. So yeah, I still have a lot of sheets left over, right? Because this was a lot of pages. So I am going to come back and decorate my Go Getter Girl using that specific sticker sheet along with all of these other ones, and create another spread. This is a lot of stickers, so yeah, I feel pretty confident about doing another spread. But I think for now, I love the way that this looks. It is decorative and functional at the same time. Like I said, everything will be linked down in the description box below. Make sure that you guys check out the Planner Boss Collective sale. It is running from April 21st through April 23rd, and that will save you 30% off of your entire order. So make sure that you guys use code SPRINGSALE23, and then at checkout mention Stephany10, and you will receive my cute little freebie as well. But I think for now, I am really obsessed with the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephany Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.